Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on the second part of the blue Bargello quilt we did as a live stream. I think it was last year or maybe even just the year before, or I think it was just last year. And we had such a really good time putting it together, free pattern, and happy to help anybody who has any questions about Bargellos and how they get laid out. So as you can tell, there's bigger strips and smaller strips, and then how you lay them out gives a bit of a wave effect. There's so many different designs out there. There's hearts, there's stars, there's diamonds, you name it, and people have manipulated them to look like flames and oceans and stuff. So this is just one of the variations. I've done a green scrappy one in the past, and it looks almost completely different. So we're just quilting it up. So I'll show you a bit of what I've got going on here. So I have it off the belts, and the belts means it's the X and the Y axis that helps Walt with when I want him to computerize, stitch things out. So when those aren't attached, it's just me doing all the work. I'm doing the movement, and it's much smoother because those belts aren't holding me back. So what I have here is I did some arches. I did the arches in the robin's egg blue thread, and then I changed it out to seafoam green, and I've been quilting it up. You'll see it as we go across with Walt of what I have done already. Okay, so I have put 2 arches, circles in between, and now I'm just working in between now. Okay. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. And I'm just echoing a heart, and it gives you the opportunity to bounce in any direction. Oops, that's kind of a weird shaped heart there, but that's okay, we'll do it. And then we're going to echo this one again to get bounced in here to fill up this little spot, okay, so it doesn't look odd. Okay, and then here. Sometimes you don't even have to put an echo. Oops, a little fluff. Oh well, it's okay. It's not going to hurt anything. And I really like the pop of this green going on. And the reason why I chose green is because of that little square of fabric right there throughout the whole quilt. And of course the goal is to try and fill it in as much as you can to the density you want, right? We'll go this way. Oopsies. Not necessarily a whoopsie, just a different way we're going. Alright, let's fill one in here. And we can travel back out this way. Don't forget to move and breathe as you're stitching. Okay. So this is kind of going to be really quilted, but that's okay. I like it. In really no time at all, you've got the space that you're looking for to get filled. You've got it filled. You could do this with swirls, just circles, you know. That might be nice for some hearts, for all the love put into a quilt. Okay, we'll just leave that there for a moment so you can see what I've been stitching around the outside, and I did take some extra footage of doing the circles. So hopefully that is, you enjoy what we got going on here today. I'm just going to finish that up, and I'm going to actually do the circles in reverse. So I'll be doing something different in the centers. So maybe this might be a 3-part series. Takes how long it takes me to get there. So yeah, I'm gonna, because of the way I have laid it out, these stitch outs that I've done in the arches should form arches in the center, 2 arches in the center. So fingers crossed till we get there. Thank you for joining us, everyone. I really greatly appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, now's your chance to do so. It's free. Nobody sends you any emails or bugs you, and there's no cost to it at all. It's free, and it really does help our channel grow. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciate you, and have yourself a fantastic day. Take care.